Welcome back to Electronic World. Today we are starting from very basic. What is electricity? What is voltage, current, and what is resistance? Let's understand it in the easiest way. So, what is electricity? It is the force
Effect.
produced by the motion of electrons in a wire. It is just like the water flow through a pipe. Now, what is voltage? Voltage is a push that produces the motion of electron. This push is provided by a battery or another voltage source. Its unit is volt. Now, what is current? The rate of flow of charge is called current. It is denoted by I and given as Q divided by T. Its unit is ampere. Now, what is resistance? It is a component that can slow down, oppose, or resist the flow of current. It is denoted by R. This is the symbol of resistor. Its unit is ohms.